Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
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 Good afternoon,
Sir,
sir.
sir, what we will do?
Today
Sir, we will.
completed
we will
the activity. We all completed the activity in the last class, which I made you do.
Yes, sir.
That
Sir,
is-
it was left revision.
Sir, I have to ask that, sir, in that page where I have done the activity, when I am writing something and on the another page, I am not able to write it.
Okay. So you take what you do. What is the solution?
Excuse me, sir.
Anji.
Sir, I have made a parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus.
Yes, sir. I have also made these four only. Sir, we have not made.
We had done this only.
Sir,
Sir,
what
we
are doing?
we have done
We
these.
have not.
Sir, I
Prism.
have done trapezium. Sir, I have to paint and
Okay. Yes, I know.
So
we
what
have
we are
done
doing?
these four.
Sir, I have done parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square.
Yes. Yes. I know we have done only these four. If you want, you can
how to pin screen on desktop.
listen to me first. I told you that we have done these four only. If you want, we can do trapezium also. If you want only, then okay. Otherwise, not required. And now,
Can you please tell me what we are doing? Actually, I was 5 minutes late.
so in this period now, we will do something else. We will do the angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Before that, let me just ask
Sir,
you.
have we done anything except the activity and the table?
We have not done anything now.
Sir, how to pin screen on
We have not done anything now. You all speak together, that is why it creates a lot of disturbance. I want you all to please remain quiet for some time. Okay. So now, listen to me. I want to ask you all that whether you understood the purpose behind making you all do that activity in the last class. Do you understand the purpose? What is the purpose behind doing that activity?
Sir, is it the purpose was that we can understand the thing properly?
Yes, the purpose is
Good
that.
afternoon, sir. Shashwat Gupta present.
Sir, is it compulsory to make only 4 quadrilaterals?
No, beta, if you want, you can make trapezium also.
Good afternoon, sir. Shashwat Gupta present.
Good afternoon.
Excuse me, sir. I want to say that, sir, I want the work of chapter 10 and the chapter 18.
Sorry, beta, आपने send नहीं की PDF. Sorry.
Yes, sir, as I was out of station.
So I want you to do it today. You have to send the PDF of chapter 10 and chapter 18. Okay.
Okay, sir, I will.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Now listen. So the purpose was to make you all understand different types of quadrilaterals and the properties of different types of quadrilaterals. Okay, this was the purpose. And I hope you all have understood now. While you were making a square, can you tell me what were the main points that you kept in mind when you were making a square? What were the points that you kept in mind?
All sides are equal.
Sir, all sides
All
should
sides
be
are equal and
this
it has 90-degree angle.
should be
Sir, all sides are
90
equal
degrees.
and it has 90-degree angle.
Yes.
Sir, all sides are equal and it has
Yes.
90-degree angle.
Yes, got it. So these were the two main points that we all kept in mind while making a square. The first point was that
Sir,
all
how
the-
to pin?
sorry, how to?
Sir, in desktop, how to pin screen? I'm attending class with it.
How to pin a screen? Double tap. Double click. If you are seeing my screen at the top, you double click on it and it will come.
Sir, how to laptop or a computer?
Double click on the screen.
Laptop on the top, you can see many faces and just click right if the cell is not at your screen and then double click on it. And if you wanna remove it, so click on remove pin.
Anji, got it? Okay, now listen.
Can we rename in laptop or computer?
Yes, you can rename it.
Rename?
You can see the participants list. Participant list में you go to the option more and there you can rename the list of participants. Go to the more option and then you can rename. Okay, now listen, all of you. So can you tell me what is the property? What are the properties of a rectangle? Give me the properties of a rectangle.
Opposite sides
Sir, opposite sides are
Opposite
equal
sides
and
are
it has
equal.
90-degree angle.
Every angle is
opposite sides
90
are
degree
equal
angle.
and
All
90-degree
sides are
angle.
equal.
Okay, this is
The
making.
properties.
Okay, I have switched off all the mics because this is making a lot of disturbance. I know you all know the answer, but let me find out some other way of doing it. Chat box is a better way of asking you questions. So you can give your answers in the chat box. What are the properties of a rectangle? Properties of rectangle. Write your answers in the chat box. Write both the properties together, okay, in one message. Don't type two different messages. In one same message, you write both the properties. Mridul Patel has given the answer. Very good, beta, Mridul. Abhay Rana और भी अधिराज, अभय, उन्नति, Argun, very good. Rishit Srivastava is sitting in the school. He wants to ask something. Rishit. Anji, Rishit.
Sir, I don't know why it's coming. Rasik Tandon is not in this meeting and I can't send.
You're not able to send the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
अरे कोई बात नहीं बेटा, you tell me your answer like this only in the voice.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, yes, yes.
In rectangle, all four sides are equal and two pairs of opposite sides are parallel.
Very good. In a rectangle, all, sorry, tell me again, Rishit. Okay, let me unmute you first. Wait a minute. Your mic is off, Rishit. Hanji, Rishit. Now you tell
Sir,
me.
by mistake, I told of square.
Now you tell me the
The
properties.
two pairs of the opposite sides are equal, and in the corner that they are parallel, equal and parallel.
And one more property is left. All
The
angles
two
are
pairs-
90 degrees. All angles are right angles.
Yes.
So in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. There are two pairs of opposite sides, and in both the pairs, the opposite sides are equal. This is the first property. Second property is that all the angles are right angles. Rishit, you are sitting in the school near the science park. You're looking good sitting in the school. Okay. Unnati is doing some exercises, doing her warm up for the class. So Unnati wants to say something. Let me unmute Unnati. Yes, Unnati.
No, sir, I was gone as my mother just called me.
Okay, I thought you were doing some warm up exercises for the class.
No, sir, I'm
Sorry, I turned off your mic. So yes.
sir, I was just also setting my things for
Okay.
sitting.
Okay. Hanji, Karamjit. Karamjit, ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ? ਦੱਸੋ। ਕਰਮਜੀਤ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ? Karamjit beta, do you want to say something? Unmute yourself first.
Yes, sir.
Hanji.
Sir, what are we doing is I was disconnected
अरे
for 2
वाह,
minutes.
इतनी बड़ी बात पूछी आपने. We will start the topic now. Don't worry. We have not done anything. We were just discussing the properties.
Okay, sir.
Anshika, बताइए.
Sir, can you please tell how to pin, sir? Sir, I was.
How to pin? Okay, I will make a video of it and then I will send it on the group. Listen,
Okay, sir.
listen carefully. I won't be able to send a video, but I am explaining you here. You just try to understand. At the top, you are using a laptop, na, Anshika?
Sir, desktop.
Desktop, no problem. So you are using Zoom app. In your Zoom app, when you see at the top, there will be lot of icons there at the top. Names of students must be there and their small screens must be visible. Is it there? Is it there?
No,
At the
sir.
top? No, it is not there. So there is an option of view. View option is there. At the top, view लिख के आ रहा होगा, आप देखो. There is an option at the right top corner. View option must be there. Is it there?
No, sir.
It is not there.
No.
So then I don't know how to do it. Maybe some student can help you after the class. When I'm speaking, am I there on your screen? This board
Yes,
is
sir.
so no problem in that. You attend the class like this.
Sir, when you anytime speak, sir, your screen get disappeared.
So that is okay. I think when I speak, you must be able to see my screen. So no problem in that. You attend today's class like this only, then some student will help you out in this.
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी, उन्नति and शौर्य, जल्दी बताइए.
Sir, she can double tap your
Sir, I want
screen.
to say that. Sir, I want to ask
Anshika, that she is using gallery view or speaker view.
She don't know how to, what is that? Because she's not able to see the view. View option is not coming on
So
this.
I want to. So I want to. You, Anshika, you can see all of us, or you can see the particular screen who is speaking.
That only. She's saying that only. The one who's speaking, that is coming on her screen.
Screen.
So if she want to pin someone, she can move the cursor to their screen and right click on it, and there will be option chat and replace pin. So you can click on replace pin.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So Anshika, you try this, okay? Now, if it is not solved, then we will solve it. Then these students will solve your problem after the class, okay? They will help you. Okay, now let's start with the main topic. Today we will do we will start with the angle sum property of quadrilaterals in this period. Okay. Angle sum property of quadrilaterals. We have already done angle sum property of triangle. What is the angle sum property of triangles? Anyone? So mic off. Now you tell me what is the angle sum property of triangle?
180 degree.
180 degree.
180 degree.
180 degree. The addition of the angles of triangle should be 180 degree.
Is 180 degree.
Yes.
Should be 180 degree.
Yes.
And sir, of the quadrilaterals, it is 360 degree.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. So the angle sum property
As
says
90 degree plus 90
Current
degree plus 90
hexagon
degree
is
plus 90.
1440.
so you will all write down the heading.
So can you hear?
Some property.
So can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you. Of quadrilaterals.
We have to write this.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Sir, on the I have to write on the next page of the activity page, and I am not
Yes.
able to write there. So can I write on the next page?
हाँ जी, you leave one page and then you write. Okay. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. This is the heading you have to write down in your notebooks. All of you write down the heading and then you make a figure with the help of a pencil. Draw a figure with pencil. Okay, like this. ABCD. Name the quadrilateral. ABCD. कोई भी एक figure बना देंगे इस तरीके से quadrilateral.
We have to
Quadrilateral has
write,
four sides and four angles. A quadrilateral has four sides and four angles.
Some property. Do some property.
Okay, and then you write the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Is always 360 degrees. Always. चाहे कैसा भी हो quadrilateral, sum will always remain 360 degree. Always. Why Khalu? Always 360 degrees. So this is the property. Now you can write it in the form of an equation. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. This is the property. Note down everything. This whole thing you have to note down in your copies.
Sir, we have to write in copy.
Yes, classwork copy.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have
Okay.
done.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji,
Sir, we have to draw. We have to draw a figure with a pencil or pen.
figure with a pencil.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but I have drawn with pen.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा,
Sir, like this, have we written of a triangle also?
Yes, we have written this property for triangle also, and now we are writing it for quadrilateral.
Sir, so can you ask someone to send me?
And what?
Adhiraj, what to send?
The angle sum property of triangle.
I will send.
Thank you.
Sir, I have written this. Sir, I have also written this. Kapka.
Very good, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I also have written this. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, written.
sir, so
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो बोलो.
sir, sir, I was saying that sir, trapezium sir हमने उस माचिस से नहीं बनाया, मैजिक से.
Okay. Beta, I have not made you make a trapezium, but if you want, you can make it. Okay. It is not compulsory.
Okay, sir.
Now you all have understood the property. Triangle के case में, do you all remember what is the sum of all the three angles? There are three angles in a triangle. What is the sum of all the three angles in a triangle?
180 degree.
Yes.
180.
In a triangle, it is 180 degrees, but in the case of a quadrilateral, the sum
And in
of all
quadrilateral,
the four angles is 360 degrees. The sum of all the four angles, if we add all the four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the four angles, if we add, the sum is always 360 degrees.
360 degrees.
Okay. Now I will give you the reason why the sum is 360 only. I will give you the reason of it also. Okay. Let me give you the reason for it. Why this? So this you don't have to write. I'm just going to explain why the sum is 360. You don't have to write it in your copies, okay? Don't write it. So this is a quadrilateral. I'm going to name the quadrilateral as ABCD. If we join the vertex B and D, these are known as vertices. Vertices क्या होते हैं? These corner points are known as vertices. So how many vertices are there? 4 vertices are there. Plural form होती है vertices, singular form होती है vertex. So this is one vertex and these are 4 vertices. Okay. So there are 4 vertices in a quadrilateral. In a triangle, there are 3 vertices. Okay. So if you join any two opposite vertices, the line segment that is formed is known as diagonal. This is the diagonal. Diagonal जानते हैं आप लोग? If you join any two opposite vertices, this thing is known as diagonal. Okay. Now, when you draw a diagonal, what this diagonal does, इसने क्या किया? It has divided the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. इसने quadrilateral को 2 triangles में काट दिया. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
दो triangles बन गए. Now, if you add all the three angles of this quadrilateral, the sum is 180 degrees. Am I right? And if you add all the angles of this quadrilateral also, the sum is again 180 degrees. So 180 plus 180, what do you get? You get 360 degrees. Do you
360.
understand? Now, do you understand why the
Yes,
sum is
sir.
360 of all the angles of a quadrilateral? Because a quadrilateral is actually made up of two triangles. Got it or not? Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
बहुत easy
Understood.
concept है. This thing ये जो मैंने explain करा है, this part you don't have to write in your copies. ये वाला part आपको अपनी copies में note नहीं करना है. Okay? Only the property that I made you note down. Only that you had to write. ये आपको note नहीं करना. Okay? So this is the reason why the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Do you know what is a pentagon?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
a polygon with
Yes, sir.
Polygon with 5 sides.
Yes, a polygon with 5 sides is known as pentagon. A polygon with 6 sides is known as hexagon. A polygon with 7 sides is known as septagon. And so on.
septagon, and with 8 is octagon, with 9 is
And 9 is nanogon, and 10
and with 10 is decagon.
decagon.
Yes.
Decagon.
One.
Sir,
So,
what is the first definition we have to write in copy?
अब ये कौन आया? ये कौन आया?
Sir, I am in the class. I want to check the definition.
Beta, we have just written the property of quadrilaterals. Plus angles and property of quadrilaterals, or nothing you have to do now. I am just explaining why the sum of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, let us understand why the sum of all the 5 angles of a pentagon वो भी हम निकाल सकते हैं very easily. I am going to make a pentagon here. You don't have to note down anything. Don't write anything in your copies. So this is a pentagon. Am I right or not? How many sides?
5.
5 sides.
Yes, sir.
5 sides means it is a pentagon. So in a pentagon, what is the sum of all the 5 angles? सारे 5 angles को मैं ऐड कर दूंगा तो sum क्या आएगा? The sum will be 540 because it is a pentagon. Now see what is the reason. मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या reason है. Okay. You choose
Yes,
any
sir,
one
I
vertex. Any one vertex you choose of that pentagon. एक vertex को choose कर लेंगे कोई भी. I have chosen the vertex A. A को choose कर लिया. फिर I will from vertex A, I will draw as many diagonals as possible. If I join AD, this is the first diagonal, and if I join AC, this is the second diagonal. So these are the 2 diagonals possible in a pentagon. So when you draw these 2 diagonals, the pentagon is broken into 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 triangles. And in the first triangle, the sum of all the angles is 180. In the second one also, the sum is 180. In the third one also, the sum is 180. That means if we add all the
540
5
degree.
angles of a pentagon, the sum is 540 degree. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Just
540
540
Sir,
degree.
I have a question.
अरे वही बात नहीं.
Sir, so in a hexagon, it will be 720
So,
degree.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes.
That if there is 360 degrees, so the angle will circle. So how it will be 40 degree?
Sorry.
As a 360
Your voice is not
degree
clear.
is complete.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. You want
Sir,
to
I
ask? अच्छा मैं समझ गया. Listen.
Sir, can I ask one query?
Can I what?
Sir, can I ask a query?
Just wait. Let me answer his question. Shaurya is asking. Shaurya is asking that 360 डिग्रीज जब हम करते हैं तो इट मेक्स अ कंप्लीट एंगल. तो हाउ कैन एंगल बी 540 डिग्रीज? 540 डिग्री कैसे हो सकता है एंगल? ये 540 डिग्री इज नॉट वन एंगल. 540 डिग्री कोई एक एंगल थोड़ी है. दिस इज सम ऑफ 5 एंगल्स. 5 एंगल्स का सम 540 हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? श्योर है. One complete angle is 360. One complete angle is 360. But if you add 5 different angles, the sum can be 540 or not? 5 angles का sum तो हो सकता है 540.
Yes,
एक
sir,
angle
it can
is
be.
not one angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. हाँ
Sir,
जी.
I can't able to understand it.
What you have not understood? ये मैं क्या समझा रहा हूँ ये समझ में नहीं आया.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I was explaining that in a pentagon the sum of all the 5 angles is 540. कैसे आता है वो मैं उसका रीजन बता रहा हूँ बस. So there are 5 angles in a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles होते हैं in a pentagon. ये 5 के 5 angles अगर मैं ऐड कर दूंगा then I will get the sum 540 आएगा हमेशा. क्यों आएगा? I am giving you the reason. मैंने यहाँ पर पेंटागन को 3 ट्राइंगल्स में ब्रेक कर दिया. कोई भी एक वर्टेक्स को चूज कर लेंगे और उसमें से डायगोनल ड्रॉ कर देंगे. नाउ यू सी दैट द पेंटागन इज ब्रोकन इनटू 3 ट्राइंगल्स. तीनों ट्राइंगल में एंगल्स का सम क्या होता है? द सम इज 180. यहाँ पर भी होगा 180, यहाँ पे भी 180 होगा, यहाँ पे भी 180 होगा. ये हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. दैट इन अ ट्राइंगल द सम ऑफ ऑल द 3 एंगल्स इज ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. So 180 plus 180 plus 180 कितना आ गया? 540. So I was giving you the reason why the sum is 540. This is the reason. Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
हाँ जी. Any other doubt?
Sir, can I ask?
हाँ जी.
Sir, can you see my face?
Dhiraj, can you see my face? You want me to show your
Sir, I
face?
have a query.
हाँ जी. हाँ पूछो.
This we have to write.
Sir, you said that the pentagon can be divided into 3 diagonals. Sir, but if we join the D and B, it can be divided into one more.
मेरी बात सुनो. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में क्या बोला था? मैंने बोला था you choose only one vertex. मैंने क्या बोला था?
Okay, sir.
Choose only one vertex. You will draw diagonals from one vertex only. B और D को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो A कहाँ आया? वहां पर A नहीं आया ना. So you choose only one vertex and from one vertex you draw the diagonals. Okay. Then you see. Got it?
Okay, sir.
हाँ जी. और कोई डाउट है? You don't have to write this in your copies. This is just to explain you. Okay. One more thing. हम पेंटागन तो कर ही लिया है.
Sir,
लगे
can I
हमारे
ask something?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल पूछिए.
Sir, in hexagon, it will 720 degree.
Yes, sir, that is
absolutely
I
right.
was
The
asking.
sum of all the 6 angles of a hexagon will be 720 degrees. That was only I
Okay,
was
sir.
about to tell you all. Hexagon ये रहा
Sir?
देखिए. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I was, this pentagon example, sir, we have to write in our copy.
अरे नहीं यार 10 बार बोल चुका हूँ. You don't have to write in your copies. It is just
Sir,
for
this
fun.
hexagon.
नहीं
Sir,
nothing.
whatever you have write in the board, we don't have to write.
No. No.
We don't have to write.
You don't have to write. This is just to explain you. So this is a hexagon. Let us find what is the sum of all the 6 angles. There are 6 angles in a hexagon. Am I right or not? So if you add all the 6 angles,
sir.
sum is 720 degrees. कैसे आया 720? आप एक वर्टेक्स चूज कर लीजिए. लेट अस चूज वर्टेक्स ए अगेन. हमने कोई भी एक वर्टेक्स चूज कर लेंगे आउट ऑफ द 6. वी हैव चूजन वर्टेक्स ए. So A से I will draw all the possible diagonals. AE is the first diagonal, AD is the second, and AC is the third. These are the 3 diagonals. कितने triangle बन गए? First triangle, second triangle, third triangle, and fourth triangle. 4 triangles बन गए. That means 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. या फिर मैं 180 को 4 से multiply कर दूं. बात तो एक ही है. 180 into 4, 720. 4 ट्राइंगल्स हैं तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 180 को. 720 degrees. Are you all clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया? हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Is it interesting or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, that time is over, but I am not telling because I like the topic.
ओहो, बहुत चालाक. लेकिन तुमने तो बता दिया टाइम ओवर हो गया है.
Yes, you told.
You told.
हाँ,
Arey, I am also very much.
no problem.
You
Okay, so
making us.
we will start the exercise
Sir,
on.
shall we have a 5 minutes more class? Sir, shall we have 5 minutes
we-
more class?
We cannot have. I am not allowed to do it. So we will meet tomorrow, and then we will continue the topic. Okay, all of you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you, sir. Have a
sir.
nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Be fit.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Thank you. Same to you.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye.